Fel Cadeirydd Presennol Cydbwyllgor Cyffredin Canolbarth Cymru, mae'r cydbwyllgor yn gyfrifol am yr economi a cynllunio hefyd trafnidiaeth o fewn y rhanbarth.
The body is made up of the local authorities of Powys and Ceredigion, as well as the Banner Brycheiniog National Park in relation to strategic planning. It enables the local authorities to work together to improve the lives of people living in mid-Wales.
Yn sgil hynny, ni yn edrych ar cynllun ar hyn o bryd, cynllun rhanbarthol trafnidiaeth ar gyfer y Canolbarth.
The plan has been developed in line with guidance issued by the Welsh Government and will replace the previous Mid-Wales Joint Local Transport Plan that was approved in 2015. The plan sets out our vision and objectives for improving transport to meet the needs of people and communities across Mid-Wales. We want to work towards a rural transport system that is accessible, low carbon, efficient and well connected in order to support sustainable economic growth, prosperous communities and a vibrant culture within mid-Wales.
Yn bwysig i ni yn y Canolbarth bod hynny'n gywir bod ni'n cael y cynllun iawn achos mae da ni heriau gwahanol i fathau rhanbarthau arall. Mae'r ffaith bod ni'n rhanbarth wledig yn ei gwanaeth mawr, mae da ni llai o boblogaeth. Felly mae'n holl bwysig bod ni'n cael y boblogaeth i defnyddio trafnidiaeth gyhoeddus. Mae hwnna yn ei dro wedyn ni'n mynd i ychwanegu at yr economi'r ardal, ond hefyd mae rhaid i adwennu busnesau a twristiaid hefyd. Felly fydd na lawnsiad i'r ymgynghoriad yn mis Chwefror 2025.
The Mid-Wales Regional Transport Plan sets out the transport policies and the projects that will be the priorities for the Mid-Wales local authorities over the next 5 years in working towards this vision. It sets out where we will focus our future efforts and invest future funding, such as funding for transport that we can secure from the Welsh Government.
Felly byddwn ni yn argymhellu unrhyw un boed yn busnes neu'n drigolyn yn y rhanbarth neu yn twristiaid sydd yn falle ymweld â'r ardal i llenwi'r ymgynghoriad â ni. Byddwn ni yn cael cynllun sydd yn gweddu at bob defnyddiwr yn yr ardal.
Launching consultation, a public consultation on the Mid-Wales Transport Plan. It's so important to everybody. Transport affects everybody's lives, in every aspect of their lives, whether it be accessing employment, training, social life, recreation, whatever it may be, transport is at the centre of it. So we're really keen that everybody, or as many people as possible, contribute to the consultation process.
On a larger scale, transport is important for economic prosperity and reducing poverty and has a significant role to play in reducing carbon emissions. It has a crucial role to play in tackling the climate and nature emergency.
The document is available on Powys County Council and Ceredigion County Council's websites. You can fill in the questionnaire online. You can do it, download a Word document and do it the old-fashioned way if you like, by filling in and sending it back by post or even by email. It really is very important that people do contribute because it's really crucial that we get this plan right and get our transport system as close to perfect as we can get it. The document will be accompanied by integrated wellbeing assessment, and again that's really important that people contribute to that because it will help us to shape the plan and understand its impact more fully.
You can also ask for a paper copy of the consultation from your local library or leisure centre. We will consider all the feedback we receive during this consultation and use it to support the remaining work we need to do to finalise the plan. Your feedback is essential in shaping the future of transport in Mid-Wales, and we look forward to hearing your views.